Hi, my name is Dan Watkins. I'm with All Four Seasons Garage and Entry Doors. Today I want to talk to you about how do you select the right windows in a garage door that's going to fit your house, that's going to look best for you. The first thing I do is look at the house itself. Look at the other windows, try to pick a window that's going to match your other windows, make it look like it's been here since the house was built. If you've got certain grids, try to match those grids. The other big part, a lot of people want to pick an arched window. They think they look really nice, and they do. But if you don't have arches on your house, anywhere on your house, it's just not gonna look right. So when you're picking out your windows, instead of looking for just the window you like, try to find a window that matches your home. I think you're gonna be happier with the finished product when it's done. This is Dan Watkins, All Four Seasons Garage and Entry Doors.